jewelry making friends, my name is Joey Balestrieri. Welcome to my channel. I am back today with one of the 2 monthly subscription boxes from the Czech Republic. They ship directly from the Czech Republic. The company is called KRAFTIKA, and I've already done the unboxing on their CZECH Beads Exclusive box, which is amazing. But this is their Bohem style box, and every month the little box comes tied with this jewelry quality cord, so you can actually make a bracelet out of this, do like a knotted technique with this. So I always save that, and it comes in this cute little box with the window. And if this is any indication, the little grass inside was pink this month, and I am beyond happy about the curated collection in this month's box. Look at this, you guys. This is so me. It's almost like the company just went in my head and in my heart and said, let's do Joey colors. They are so beautiful. So with the Bohem style box, every month on your little insert, you get a code that takes you to a video tutorial. It looks like this. And the little code is here, and it takes you to a video tutorial where you can see step-by-step instructions for 2 full pieces of jewelry. And they're always really cute, really clever, fun, and really beginner friendly. So if you're a person that loves a kit and loves beads already kind of put together and you just want to do the handiwork, this box might be perfect for you. But if you're like me and you kind of like to do your own thing, honestly, this box is still perfect for you, because look what you get. It's all Czech glass, and it is just really cool. So I am a little bit early in my unboxing, and the video tutorial has not been posted yet, but before I edit this, or when I edit this, I will pop a picture up of the 2 pieces of jewelry that you can make and that you have the instructions for. And in this box, you get all the findings that you need for those 2 pieces of jewelry. So there's little ball head pins, all kinds of jump rings, more ball head pins. Let's see. There's some lobster claw clasps, even some oval jump rings this month, some crimp beads, the type of crimping that you just flatten, and the little bead stringing wire. So everything that you need for those 2 pieces of jewelry is included in the box. Look at all the supplies you get. So again, if you are newer to jewelry making and maybe you don't have a huge stash of supplies, this could be a really great box for you. And I have to say, before I share the beads, I am so impressed at the shipping rates for this company, because no matter where you are in the world, you can get this box. They ship internationally, and the shipping is so unbelievably reasonable. When DHL comes, I'm always excited, but the cost of it is cheaper than from certain states to other states. Like, I've ordered beads, and the shipping from this company is, you know, a third what it costs for me to order sometimes within my own country. So that's a really great thing. So let me grab a little piece of wire here so that I can share the beads. The first thing that my eye is going to are these beautiful seed beads. And if you've listened to me at all or followed my channel, you know that I really believe that seed beads are really powerful in design. They are a great way to get length in a piece, a great way to add some color. They don't add a lot of weight, and they can even be a really fabulous spacer. And these are a gorgeous purple. There's a slight color variation in it. I don't know if the camera is rendering, but there's like 2 or 3 different purples kind of happening on these seed beads, and they are a beautiful matte finish. Really, really gorgeous. And then there were 3 different colors of the same bead. It's like a little hex flat spacer bead. It almost looks like a bolt, or you know, a little gear that you might find in your husband's toolbox. But there is a beautiful purple, a rich deep mauve, and then a more blush pink. And look how fabulous they look together. Like I said, these are my favorite colors in the world. The pinks and purples and the berry tones are absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to come over here to this little pillow shaped flower, let me find the hole. This flower has so many sweet details. It's a little 6-petal flower. It has the AB finish, which stands for Aurora Borealis. So you really get the flash when that finish is on a bead. You really get like the flash that does make you think of the Northern Lights. It's so beautiful. And the under color of the glass on this bead looks like it's a rich raspberry, and so you can see like the little shape of all the petals. There's like little dots, little dark raspberry polka dots. What a gorgeous bead. And there are 7 of them. And then I have this bead in a couple of other colors. In fact, I recently did a video where I used this bead. This is well, I love Czech glass. I was going to say this is one of my favorite finishes, but I actually love so many of them. But this is the silk glass color. It is beautiful. This is like pink silk. There's a little bit of variation in the color, so it's not totally solid, so you get a lot of dimension. Like I can just look into this glass, and then how beautifully the tips are kind of coated in a metallic like copper. It's so beautiful. And there are 3 of those. And then this is the little tulip bead that is pretty common, but what a gorgeous color. And again, it's Czech glass, so look at the detail. You can literally see the little petals, just the way they would unfold in a real blooming tulip. And there's just so much detail. And this looks like it has a Picasso wash on top of the purple. So again, it's not a huge bead, but there's so much dimension, and like it's really art. I mean, they're just gorgeous. And then is this not the happiest pink? It's like a fruit punch pink color. This is a little 4mm Czech glass faceted round. I absolutely love it. I want to nail polish that color. Look at it with my nail polish. It's so pretty. I love that. And then this is awesome. This is like a really mauvey purple Czech glass leaf, and this is the one that the hole goes from side to side like a briolette. So you can put a jump ring in there, or you can use like a fine gauge wire and do a briolette wrap to include that in your designs. But look how gorgeous this is, and you can even string these right onto your stringing material. I'll show you what they look like with 2 together. Let me find the hole. There you go. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? So even with like some beads in between, and just string them and just let them hang on your bead stringing material is beautiful. And we're back around to the hex beads. So I usually don't do the 2 projects that are that these beads are coordinated for, but I haven't seen it yet because I'm a little early with my unboxing. It hasn't been posted online yet. So I may do it this month, but usually I jump out of the box and do my own thing. I've been making jewelry for decades, and so I do tend to do my own thing, but that's the cool thing about this box. If you need the kit or prefer a kit sort of a thing where things are worked out, you've got it. And if you're like me and you prefer to do your own thing, look what you get to work with. It's absolutely fabulous. So in the description box of this video, I will put a link to the KRAFTIKA website with this box. It is called, again, Bohem Style. It comes to you directly from the Czech Republic, from DHL, and look how adorable. I just love getting this little box. It is a box of happiness. And so I will put all that information in the description box, and I can also link the other box. I did an unboxing of the Czech Beads Exclusive box, which is also put together by KRAFTIKA. It's a totally separate subscription, still that same great shipping, and that one you get 26 Czech glass items in it and findings. It's also really great. They are 2 separate ones. I get both of them, and I can't even tell you which one is my favorite because they're both my favorite. I love them. I mean, I love the Czech beads. They're really, really amazing. So check out the description box to get the links if you are not familiar. And also this website, the KRAFTIKA website, you can go and buy individual beads on the website as well as other craft supplies. So if you're not so much of a jewelry maker, but you do other types of crafts, check this out, because again, it's available worldwide. They ship everywhere, and it is a really cool company. I was so glad when they found my channel and wondered if my audience would like to know about them. So I've been doing this box for a few months now, and I really like it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. tap the bell notification, give me a thumbs up, because when I come back with a project with these beads and anything else that I've unboxed, you won't miss the notification. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope you're all safe and well and having fun on your beading mats. Ciao, creative friends.